friend of me is REALME C25s, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode on this smartphone. Firstly, go into settings. Now you need to choose home screen and lock screen over here and tap on home screen mode. Then select simple one, choose apply and click switch in the pop-up. And now, as you can see, easy mode is on. If you wish to go back into the standard one, you need to choose settings over here, choose home screen and lock screen again, tap on home screen mode and pick one of those. I will go with standard one, so I have to tap on it and select apply, and then select switch in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!